The officers from KWS received information that there were people who were intending to sell elephant tusks. They laid a trap, and at around 2300 hours, they intercepted two people on a motorcycle who were dressed in Samburu attire with the shukers. During the arrest, the dealers shot at the officers, and the officers responded, and an exchange of fire. The dealers managed to escape, leaving behind 7 pieces of ivory weighing approximately 47 kilograms and a motorcycle red in color, star in make, registration number KMFR 183H, which were taken by officers as exhibit.